In the early 1950s, a group of visionary scientists gathered at Dartmouth College, New Hampshire, for a groundbreaking conference that would forever change the course of human history. Their aim was to explore the possibilities of a revolutionary new field, machine learning. Arthur Samuel, a pioneer in the field, had already demonstrated the potential of this technology. He created a program that could learn to play checkers better than any human opponent. Yet, the world was largely oblivious to this monumental achievement. The conference, dubbed the Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence, brought together some of the brightest minds in the field, including Alan Turing, John von Neumann, and Marvin Minsky. They were determined to unlock the secrets of human cognition and recreate it in machines. Their discussions were heated and the debates intense. The question at the heart of it all was this: could machines truly think? Some believed they could, while others were skeptical. Among the attendees was a young, ambitious computer scientist named Perceptron. Named after the perceptron algorithm, it was designed to learn and make decisions based on patterns. However, it quickly became apparent that the perceptron had limitations. Undeterred, the team pressed on. They began to develop more sophisticated algorithms, ones that could learn from experience and improve over time. This was the birth of machine learning as we know it today. In the years that followed, machine learning would revolutionize countless industries. From self-driving cars to facial recognition software, its influence was far-reaching. Yet, it was that summer at Dartmouth that set it all in motion. The dawn of machine learning marked a new age in human history. It was a testament to the power of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we continue to explore the depths of this technology, we can only imagine what the future holds. And so, the story of machine learning continues, its path winding through the annals of history, a testament to the indomitable spirit of human innovation.